A $200,000 mortgage is amortized by monthly payments over 20 years. The interest rate is 5.2 compounded semi-annually for a first 5-year term. How much will the amortization period be shortened if, after 3 years, the payments are increased by $80? And what will be the principal balance at the end of the first 5-year term? So, to calculate how much will the amortization period be shortened if after 3 years the payments are increased by $80, first of all we have to calculate the original payment that will give us the possibility to pay off the loan in 20 years. Knowing this periodic payment, we calculate first the balance after 3 years. This balance becomes principal for the rest of the mortgage. Increase the payment by $80 and we calculate the number of payments, increased payments that will give us the possibility to pay off the loan. So I'll start with the periodic payment. We have monthly payments for 20 years. Overall, we have 240 payments, 240N. The rate is 5.2. Second rate, we have monthly payments of P over Y12, enter, arrow down. The rate is compounded semi-annually, so C over Y2, enter. Second quit to return to financial case. We have a loan for 200,000, present value, positive entry, bring the balance to 0, and we compute the payment. So a payment of $335.94, we round it up to the cent, will pay off the loan in 20 years. So I'll type this payment in my TVM keys, round it up to the cent. So $1,335.94, negative entry, PMT. We calculate first what is the balance before the change. We made this change after 3 years. So in 3 years, we have 36 payments, 36N, compute the balance. This balance becomes principal for the rest of our mortgage. So we change the sign and we press present value. We make the change. So the new payment will be increased by $80. So $1,335.94 plus 80 plus 80. So the increased payment is $1,415.94. It's a payment, negative entry, PMT. We bring the balance with this increased payment and we compute how many more increased payments we need to pay off the loan. So we need overall 187 more payments. 186 will be full payments, and the last payment, the 187th payment, will be less than $1,415. But overall, we need 187 additional payments. So we need 187 more payments. So far, we made 36 payments. So overall, we need 223 payments. The original term was 20 years with monthly payments. So the original agreement was for 240 payments. So 240 minus 223. So we were able to decrease the amortization period by 17 monthly payments, by 17 months. That means 1 year and 5 months. To calculate what will be the principal at the end of this 5-year term, because we had the rate for 5 years, we are at the end, at the 3rd year. So up to the end of 5th year, we have 24 more payments. So now we have 24N, compute the balance. So the balance at the end of first 5-year term will be $165,320.01.